Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Sheikh Rizwan, and today we are going to see what is inside an old WD Blue hard drive. So let's begin. This is the physical overview of hard drive. These are some ports and connectors. So let's open up these screws. This is the screw which is hidden under the sticker. Here comes the moment of truth. Wow, this is so shiny. So this is how the hard drive looks from inside. Here, this thing is called spindle. This holds the hard drive's platters in place. This disc is called platter. A platter is one or more aluminum, glass or ceramic discs coated in a magnetic media to store all your computer's data permanently. This is called actuator. This is actuator axis. This is actuator arm. And this is actuator head. An actuator is the component that moves a hard drive's heads over the media surface to read and write data. Each recording head sits at the end of a moving actuator arm. Hard drives are equipped with a single actuator, which moves all the read-write heads together in synchronous motion.